what we are doing today. It's a Peugeot 2013. We are taking the speedometer out and we're going to show you how to remove the speedometer cluster. Okay, remove that front panel or trim. Then after that, a screen, we need to push it from down to up. To the up, yes. Okay, slide it up. There are two more clips on the top. Careful with the screen. It's a strong one. You need to force it. Yes, that's it. Okay, these are the two clips which were stuck here.
Trim first.
Remove the screen. T20. And there are two clips. Slide up. Yes, and a couple of things in the back. You can even leave it as it is to take out the speedometer. That's even fine. Just leave it hanging here. Two more and we have two more here, 1 and 2. Okay, now just take it out like this and leave it for hanging just here. Okay, now we need to remove this old trim. Start from the other side.
Out or up?
Pull it out. Pull. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And that's coming out. Just even leave it there. You can just do it. Pull a little bit more. And you can take out the speedometer from there. And two more screws, T20 on the back. Bottom of the speedometer. One on the left, one on the right.
We need to remove this.
If you can, then fine. I think you can just take out the speedometer as it is. Just pull it from the upper side with a screwdriver or something. Yes, and now to the other side. Yes, and pull out with the twisting thing and remove the cable from the back. Hey. There you go, this is the speedometer, and the same way you can put it back. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.